What's up guys, welcome once again to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Today we are back again with one more review video. This time we are reviewing this Reebok Forever Floatride Energy 2.0. This one is an exceptionally good running shoe in a budget range, within a range of 3,000 to 5,000 rupees, and very good if you are looking for speed run shoes. So if you are someone who runs different distance, for example 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 21 kilometers, and then sometimes tries for speed runs also, this is the shoe that you should really look out for. Also, a lot of people have been asking me in the comment section of this channel about a budget running shoe that they can use for daily running. This is actually a shoe that qualifies most of the features of a good running shoe. Weight wise, size structure, comfort wise, midsole, we're going to cover everything as you stick around till the end of this video. So let's get straight into this. So guys, I just finished a 2.4 kilometer speed run in this shoe, Reebok Forever Floatride Energy 2.0, and I took 12 minutes 33 seconds. So I want you guys to first drop your thoughts in the comment section below about my timing and my performance. Also, you can start following me on Strava to follow my other activities related to fitness and testing different shoes. Now the first and the foremost thing that I realized in these shoes, and I just love that feature, was the energy return, the bounce back effect in this shoe. This is superb because if you see the midsole right here, it's very spongy, very cushioned, so it gives you enough comfort while you're running. At the same time, the energy return actually starts working when you pick up speed. So if you're someone who is looking for a good shoe within the range of 3,000 to 5,000 rupees, and you're looking to run only 3 kilometers or 5 kilometers for speed runs, this is the shoe that you should look out for. Now moving on to the outsole, this is very impressive because this is very durable. So on a standard basis, you should discard your shoe after 800 kilometers or maximum 900 kilometers. But this shoe, I think for sure can go for 1,000 kilometers, and it's very durable. The outsole is very responsive again, gives a good support to the midsole, and very stable. Now with all these features, I can confidently say that this is a versatile daily running trainer. You should actually look out for this if you're looking for a budget running shoe, because this gives you enough value as a runner. Also, if I have to talk about the sizing structure, because that's the most important thing if you're going to buy this shoe online, if you don't get an opportunity to buy it offline, then this toe box area, this is something that you should watch out for. The toe box area is extra wide, and that's the reason my size is 8 UK and I still went for 7 UK, and it was very comfortable, guys. So if you are 9 UK, you have to go for 8 UK in this shoe, and for me it actually worked in my favor because this 7 UK comes in a women's category. Now from what angle this looks like a women's shoe, I was not able to find that, so it didn't really feel awkward to me. I still went for the 7 UK and I was able to grab this shoe, which is worth rupees 10,000. I was able to grab it only for 2,750. What? Now that was a limited period discount for this shoe in women's category, and I didn't really mind to go for a women's shoe. So if you guys have any issues regarding the sizing of this shoe, go one size down because that's going to be your perfect fit. Now a lot of reviews would also say that the heel to toe drop in this shoe is only 9 mm and it should have been a standard 10 mm. Although I didn't feel so, because I preferably want to have a shoe that has a minimum heel to toe drop, because that allows you to touch the ground more often and you can have a good bouncy effect out of that. Also, increase in cushioning will not really help in these shoes because that would eventually increase the weight of the shoes. The weight of this shoe is 238 or 240 grams. Now as per the standard running shoe dimensions, any weight of the shoe below 250 grams is an exceptionally lightweight running shoe. So I think this being 240 grams qualifies to be a very lightweight daily running shoes. that was the overall review of Reebok Forever Floatride Energy 2.0. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can find all the details about this shoe in the description below. I'm also leaving the purchase link. And if in case you have any additional doubts or queries related to this shoe, you can always DM me on Instagram. My Instagram profile is right here. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do that right now because that helps us grow and bring more reviews about different shoes on this platform. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.